In the last lesson, I introduced you to the Stringbuilder class, and in this lesson, we're going to look at the more popular methods that you'll use when working with Stringbuilder objects. So let's get started. We're going to call this program stringb.java. We don't have to import anything, so we can go directly to our main program. You saw in the last lesson how to instantiate a new Stringbuilder object, just like this. You can also initialize an object by passing in a string as an argument to the constructor. So let's take a look at that. It didn't make sense to do that in the last lesson because we were concatenating and building a new string. But here we want to start out with the string, so we can do that. Then if we want to display what's in the string builder object, we can call the toString method. So let's save that, compile, and then run. Okay. We left out the word is, so we can insert that into our string using the insert method, which takes an offset where you want to start the insertion and the string to insert. So the offset will be the position after the space, essentially where T is. So that's going to be position 0, 1, 2, 3, the fourth position. So if we say insert for the word is, just like so, then let's display the string again using toString. Compile it, and then run it. Okay, so we need a space. And this is a very common mistake you'll make. Put a space right there. Try it again. There we go. Exactly how we want it. We can use index of to tell us where a particular substring is in the string. We're about to run out of room, so let's move this down to the next line. So we save it. So index of takes a string or a substring and will tell us where that object is, where that string is in the larger string. So it's at position 7. If we want to delete the string, we can say sentence delete. And then we can give a starting position 4 and a stopping position 6. And then let's display the string again. Compile and then run. So now we've taken it out. We can also delete a single character using a method called delete_at. So let's take out a space. So we know there's going to be a space at 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's delete that space and see what we get after we've deleted it. Let's clear the screen, recompile. All right, so you see we had an extra space. Now we've gotten rid of that extra space and we're back to where we were. Another thing you might want to do with a string is reverse it. So we'll reverse it and then display it. Compile and then run. So notice it reverses the letters as well as the words. So you could use that to check for palindromes and other little interesting little parlor games like that. So those are the primary methods of the Stringbuilder class. Now there are lots of overloaded methods for each one of these. So there's inserts for all different types of data types, and there's lots of different delete methods. So I would suggest you consult the documentation for the Stringbuilder class to look at all the variations of these methods. But these are the primary methods you're going to use when you're working with the Stringbuilder class. And with that, we're ready to move to the single exercise for this chapter.